This is so unfair.
क्या हुआ?
I'm breaking my FTR. Papa needs a little help with some medical bills. That's not the unfair part though. My FD is just 1 month away from maturity. मगर अब 7% की जगह, which was the rate for 1 year, they'll calculate it at 6.5%, which was their rate for deposits under 1 year. Plus, they'll deduct another 1% as a penalty. So effectively, I'll end up getting around 5.5% only.
Wow, Neha. That hurts. I'm sorry.
Well, और कोई option भी तो नहीं है.
You don't invest in bonds?
No. Aren't those super complicated?
Not really. Bonds are a fixed return product, sort of like FDs. But there are differences. Samjha?
Of course.
Well, let's start with the similarities. They both pay fixed returns. FDs have interest rates, bonds have coupon rates. FD interest rates are often around 6 to 7%, with a little extra for senior citizens. Coupon rates for bonds can range between 8 to 14% depending on the issuer.
Wow. Really?
Yeah, but don't jump the gun. पहले risks समझो.
So they're riskier then?
इतना simple नहीं है. FDs में भी you're trusting the bank, right? So you do your homework before investing. Same with bonds. Bonds में issuers को CRISIL या ICRA जैसे agencies rate करती है. Now, we're talking about investment grade bonds. So we'll talk about bonds rated between AAA to BBB. BB and below aren't suitable for retail investors. They require the kind of risk assessment and monitoring that is best left to institutional investors. With me so far?
Got it. Invest in bonds rated between AAA and BBB.
Exactly. Generally, AAA or AA plus higher rated bonds माने जाते हैं. Good risk profile and moderate returns. A और BBB में returns ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, but risk profile भी अलग होता है.
Got it. So the ratings help you understand the risk profile.
Exactly. Now, let me tell you about the part that would have helped you in this situation. The exit possibilities.
No penalties?
Well, it works a little differently. Bonds are listed on exchanges, so investors can sell them before maturity at the market price.
So no fixed penalty like FDs?
Exactly. But market price ऊपर या नीचे हो सकता है, depending on demand, interest rates and the issuer.
Meaning?
Suppose you invested 1 lakh rupees in a bond, paying 12% annual coupon rate. If you sell before maturity, the buyer pays the market price at that time, which could be slightly higher or lower than your original investment.
Okay, so flexibility है, but market movement भी है.
Exactly.
Got it. But ये बताओ, do I have to invest 1 lakh rupees? It's a bit expensive, na?
अरे नहीं नेहा, that was just an example. You can invest as little as 1,000 rupees also.
Nice. So from what I understand, both FDs and bonds have their pros and cons. बस समझना पड़ता है कौन सा इन्वेस्टमेंट किस नीड के लिए फिट बैठता है.
Exactly. That's the mark of a good investor, na? The right instrument for the right need at the right time. This video is for educational purposes only and is meant to help investors understand financial concepts better. It should not be considered investment advice. Fixed returns do not constitute guaranteed or assured returns. Investments in corporate debt securities, municipal debt securities / securitized debt instruments are subject to credit risks, market risks, and default risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.